Ever dreamed of turning your Lego obsession into a money-making venture? Then buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell your Lego treasures on BRICKLINK, reaching a global audience of dedicated collectors. First things first, head over to bricklink.com and create an account. This is your storefront, so choose a username that reflects your brand. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell tab to start building your inventory. The heart of BRICKLINK is its extensive catalog. Carefully search for each Lego part, set, or minifigure you want to sell. Accuracy is key. Use the BRICKLINK part number to ensure you find the right item. High-quality photos are a must. Clear, well-lit images showcase your items at their best, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Photograph unique angles of your Lego to show it off better. Now for the price. Research similar listings to get a feel for the market value. Be competitive, but don't undersell yourself, and factor in the condition of your Lego items when creating an asking price. BRICKLINK connects you with buyers worldwide. Choose your shipping options carefully, considering speed, cost, and insurance. Pack your Lego items securely to prevent damage during transit. No one likes receiving damaged goods. Finally, remember, clear communication and professional service are the keys to building a stellar reputation. Encourage customers to contact you with questions about their purchases, and resolve disputes quickly and efficiently. Now, get out there, start listing, and turn those Lego bricks into cash. Like this video, subscribe for more Lego tips, and I will see you in the next one.